Yes, children, today we will learn phonic sounds, right? A, a, apple. B, b, ball. K, k, cat. D, d, dog. A, a, elephant. Fan. G, g, grapes. Hat. E, e, igloo. J, j, jug. K, k, kite. L, l, lamp. Mm, mango. Mm, nose. O, o, orange. P, p, parrot. Qu, qu, quill, quilt. R, r, rose. S, s, snake, sun. T, 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 tiger. A, umbrella. W, v, v, van. Water, water. X, Xmas tree. Y, yacht. Zebra, zip. Now one more time we will revise. A, b, k, d, a, g, e, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, p, qu, qu, r, r, s, t, t, a, b, w, x, y, z.